Hello, my name is Wes Terry, and I'm here to tell you about the leadership quality of problem solving. First, I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think about a problem that you've had in the past. Maxwell states that everyone's going to have a problem, mainly because we cannot control every single variable. So, you thinking about that problem that you could never solve? Alright, keep that in your mind. Whether it is a work-related problem, a math problem, or you got hung up on an assignment and you kept on pushing that assignment off. Now I'm going to tell you a time where I had to quickly problem solve. I work for a company where I'm in charge of over 40 to 50 employees each week. We have around 40 to 45 locations within those 50 employees. One day, one of the employees did not show up at their location. With that employee not showing up, we could lose $2,000 to $3,000 on average per day, give or take. Therefore, in my mind, I was thinking of a couple options. First option, can I reach out to someone that is not working on this particular day and see if they can fill the gap? However, that was not able to happen. So then my next thought was, we have one location that has 4 employees. We need 4 employees there, but we do not have to have 4 employees there. So I moved one of those employees to that location and I was able to fill the gap, and that person was able to collect the money that we missed because they were a little bit late, since they did go to the first location first and then moved there. But that was the most rational thing I could do given the circumstances. I'm going to explain my thought process when solving problems. First step is, what information do I have in particular in order to solve that problem? If it's an assignment, what does the syllabus say? What does the rubric say? And what book can I use in order to gain the information in order to complete the assignment? Next, I think, who can help me complete this assignment if I get hung up? Is it a professor? Is it a boss? Is it a friend? What connections do I have in order to solve this problem? And then lastly, I do not push problems off. If you push problems off, they will never get done. That is the biggest thing that people do, because they get stopped at a point, they put it to the side, and they don't go back to it until the last possible second, and then all of their small problems build up, and then they still have to complete that big problem. I am a big believer in, if you can do something in 5 minutes or less and you're assigned that, then you do it quickly. Because if you let those things pile up and then you also push off the big assignments, then you will never get to that big assignment, and you'll cause yourself even more stress at night and each and every day before those assignments are actually complete. Brings me to my conclusion. It's not a problem, it is a project. A lot of things are about perception. Think about it. A problem you have in an assignment, 30 other people are completing that assignment. At work, if you have a problem, there are probably people within your department that have already completed this assignment or this task that could potentially help you. If you look at it as a project and you do not get flustered whenever you get to a point where you don't know what to do, and you just reach out to someone else in order to solve that project very quickly, and you do not push it off, I think it only becomes a problem whenever you continuously push it off. So my advice to you, do not push problems off, and they will not become problems. It will be a project. Thank you.